Hi again, Asa. So we're graphing an inequality here. But this is just going to be graphing a line. So we need to get it into slope-intercept form to make it easy to graph. So we're going to solve for y. So the first thing we want to do is subtract 3x from both sides. Alright? So this goes to this. And now what we have left is negative 7y or is less than negative 3 and minus 27. So I'm going to rewrite that as negative 7y is what we have left. Negative 3x minus 21. So now we're going to divide by a negative number. And this is a big rule in inequalities. So if you divide by a negative number, we need to flip the sign. So what we get is the negative 7's cancel out. Y is now greater than. These negatives cancel out for the 3. And then, so it's 3 over 7x. And it's actually, the negative is also going to cancel out with this negative. Plus 27 divided by 7, or 21 divided by 7 is 3. Alright? So now this is in a form that is easy to graph. So, and we also see it's not equal to. So the graph that we're going to have is going to be a dashed graph. It's not going to be a full straight line. So we have our slope, which is 3 over 7. So that means we're going to rise 3 and go run over 7. So there's a point, and then there's a point right there. And then we're going to dash in our line. The reason why we're dashing is because it's greater than, and it's not greater than or equal to. If it was greater than or equal to, it'd be a solid line, but greater than is going to be a dashed line. And then, since y is greater than, it's going to be on the top side of this graph. So we're going to shade in the top part right here. And that would be our graph for this inequality. So the steps are solve for y, get it in y-intercept form, and then we can graph it a little bit easier with the slope and the y-intercept. All right? Thank you for sending in your question, Asa. And we look forward to answering more of them.